Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So, are you guys looking for instant glow? I have this amazing serum. I'm going to make the serum with vitamin C tablets. Vitamin C is really good for your skin. So, you should consume a lot of oranges, lemon, and if you all don't do that, just take some vitamin C tablets, which is easily available in the market. So, I'm going to show you how to make the serum. So, let's start. So firstly we need this vitamin C tablet. So I've crushed one vitamin C tablet, and to this I'm going to add some aloe vera gel. I'm going to add a few drops of rose water to this. Now we have to mix it nicely. Now I'm just going to take a cotton pad and I'm going to apply it on my face. So guys, I'm just going to let it stay for about 5 minutes and then I'm going to wash my face. So guys, I've washed my face now and I can actually see that instant glow. So if you want instant glow and you don't have much time, do this and try this serum. Also, if some people might have sensitive skin and you might be allergic to vitamin C tablet, so do a patch test before you apply the serum on your face. Just do a little test here and then you see and then you apply this. So guys, I hope this video has been useful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions or if you want to ask me anything. And thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you soon.